The 9 Steps to Financial Freedom, Practical and Spiritual Steps So You Can Stop Worrying by Suze Orman. It is a comprehensive guide that aims to provide readers with a roadmap to achieve financial stability, independence, and peace of mind. In this detailed summary, we will explore each of the 9 steps to financial freedom in depth, highlighting the practical and spiritual aspects of Orman's approach. Step 1. Seeing how your past holds the key to your financial future. Orman begins by emphasizing the importance of understanding our past financial behaviors and beliefs. She encourages readers to reflect on their upbringing, experiences, and the messages they received about money. By recognizing and addressing any negative patterns or emotions tied to money, we can break free from self-sabotaging habits and cultivate a healthier relationship with our finances. Orman emphasizes the need to take responsibility for our financial well-being and acknowledges that our past experiences shape our current financial reality. By delving into our financial past and uncovering any emotional baggage, we can gain valuable insights that will guide us toward a more positive and empowered financial future. Step 2. Facing your fears and creating new truths. In this step, Orman highlights the importance of identifying and confronting our fears about money. She encourages readers to acknowledge any anxieties, insecurities, or limiting beliefs they may have around finances. By bringing these fears to light, we can begin to challenge and reframe them. Orman provides practical exercises to help readers face their financial fears head-on. She emphasizes the power of positive affirmations and encourages readers to replace negative thoughts and beliefs with empowering truths. By reframing our mindset and adopting new, positive beliefs about money, we can overcome financial anxieties and open ourselves up to abundance. Step 3. Being honest with yourself, your money, your life. In this step, Orman emphasizes the significance of self-awareness and honesty regarding our current financial situation. She encourages readers to take a thorough inventory of their income, expenses, debts, and assets. By developing a clear and accurate picture of our financial reality, we can make informed decisions and create a solid foundation for financial freedom. Orman provides practical tools and strategies for organizing financial information, such as creating a net worth statement and tracking expenses. By gaining a comprehensive understanding of our financial landscape, we can identify areas for improvement, set realistic goals, and create a personalized financial plan. Step 4. Being responsible to those you love. Orman highlights the importance of taking care of our loved ones financially. She emphasizes the need to create wills, establish trusts, and ensure adequate insurance coverage to protect our family's financial well-being in case of unexpected events. Orman provides guidance on navigating complex topics such as estate planning, guardianship, and selecting beneficiaries. She encourages readers to have open and honest conversations with their loved ones about financial matters, ensuring that everyone is on the same page. By being proactive and responsible in planning for the future, we can provide financial security and peace of mind for ourselves and our loved ones. Step 5. Being respectful of yourself and your money. In this step, Orman focuses on self-respect and valuing our own financial worth. She emphasizes the importance of making conscious choices aligned with our financial goals and values. Orman encourages readers to set boundaries and make informed decisions that prioritize their long-term financial well-being. Orman explores various aspects of financial self-respect, including earning what we're worth, setting appropriate financial boundaries in relationships, and avoiding harmful financial behaviors such as overspending or undervaluing ourselves in the workplace. By cultivating self-respect and aligning our financial choices with our values, we can build a stronger financial foundation and improve our overall well-being. Step 6. Trusting yourself more than you trust others. Orman encourages readers to rely on their own financial judgment and intuition. While seeking advice from professionals is valuable, she emphasizes the importance of being actively involved in our financial decisions. By educating ourselves, asking questions, and trusting our instincts, we can make informed choices that align with our long-term goals. Orman provides guidance on finding trustworthy financial advisors and understanding the value they can bring to our financial journey. She empowers readers to take control of their finances, build their financial knowledge, and make confident decisions. By trusting ourselves more than we trust others, we can develop financial independence and avoid falling prey to fraudulent schemes or misguided advice. Step 7. Being open to receive all that you are meant to have. In this step, Orman delves into the concept of abundance and being open to receiving financial blessings. She encourages readers to let go of scarcity thinking and embrace the idea that they are worthy of financial abundance. Orman provides strategies for shifting our mindset from scarcity to abundance, such as practicing gratitude and visualizing our financial goals. She emphasizes the importance of being open to opportunities and actively seeking ways to increase our wealth. By recognizing our own worthiness and being receptive to financial abundance, we can attract greater prosperity into our lives. Step 8. Understanding the ebb and flow of the money cycle. Orman highlights the natural cycles of money and advises readers to be prepared for both ups and downs. She explains that financial situations are not static, and understanding the cyclical nature of money can help us navigate financial challenges with resilience. Orman provides practical advice on building emergency funds, managing debt, and creating a long-term financial plan. She emphasizes the importance of balancing short-term needs with long-term goals and adjusting our financial strategies as circumstances change. By understanding the ebb and flow of the money cycle, we can develop a sense of financial stability and weather financial storms with confidence. Step 9. Recognizing true wealth. In the final step, Orman expands the definition of wealth beyond financial measures. She encourages readers to recognize and appreciate the true wealth in their lives, such as meaningful relationships, personal well-being, and a sense of purpose. Orman explores the connection between financial wealth and emotional well-being, emphasizing that true wealth encompasses more than just money. She encourages readers to cultivate gratitude, practice generosity, and align their financial choices with their values. By recognizing and nurturing the non-financial aspects of wealth, we can experience greater fulfillment and happiness. Throughout the book, Orman provides practical strategies, exercises, and tools to help readers implement each step effectively. She combines her financial expertise with spiritual insights to create a holistic approach to financial freedom. By addressing the practical and spiritual aspects of money management, Orman empowers readers to transform their relationship with money and live a life free from financial worries. In conclusion, the 9 Steps to Financial Freedom offers a comprehensive framework for achieving financial stability and peace of mind. By incorporating both practical and spiritual principles, Suze Orman provides readers with the tools and guidance necessary to create lasting financial change. Whether you're struggling with debt, aiming for financial independence, or seeking a healthier relationship with money, this book serves as a roadmap to help you stop worrying and start living a financially empowered life.
For more videos of financial tips and advices, please leave a thumbs up, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be updated for the latest uploads.